welcome back to my channel. Today is very exciting. It is Erin Condren Launch season. The new 2021-2022 Life Planner will launch on May 4th or May 3rd if you are an Erin Condren Insider. If you are not an EC Insider, I will have a link below. Make sure to sign up because there are 2 gift with purchases this year for the EC Insiders. There's a gift with purchase for the regular launch, but there is a cute new pencil pouch for EC Insiders only if you order on May 3rd. This year there are 3 new interior designs. There is Mid-Century Circles, Flora, and Just My Type Colorful or Neutral. The Just My Type is a neutral planner, but they also give you a colorful option to have those colorful tabs. That is one thing that's always been requested from Erin Condren users is neutral pages and a colorful tab. And that's where the Just My Type Colorful or Neutral comes in. You can get neutral tabs with the neutral pages or colorful tabs with the neutral pages. There are, of course, the coiled planners. However, this year they are also including A5 planners. There is the classic 7x9, and then there will also be 8.5 by 11. And my favorite part is Erin Condren is launching ring agendas, which is what I have here. I am so excited to share this with you guys and to open it up and take a look at it with y'all. I will go into more specifics on the ring agenda as I unbox this and then go over all the different options and layouts. But the third and final kind of formatting for the Life Planner is that there will be a binder option again this year that is a 7x9 layout. And so there is a chart that is broken down that Erin Condren did share, so you can see what styles available and what design and what size. But that's just a little bit about the launch. And for now, let's get into this new agenda. Okay, so we have a lot of accessories to go over too, in addition to the agenda, and then they did send a little kit, so I will go over different things. I am beyond excited to share the agenda. That is going to be the first thing we do. So it comes in a EC dust bag, and let's open this up. So I, of course, ordered the camel design, but it also comes in blush and gold. And then there is a new mid-century circle design as well. I will be using this for work, and I love the camel. It goes really well with my Erin Condren teacher lesson planner that I use for work as well. So I wanted to get the camel, and I just love how neutral it is. So this leather is a really nice quality leather. So it feels, I don't know how to explain it. It kind of feels like vegan leather. I'm not 100% sure if it's vegan leather, but it kind of feels like that vegan leather. It's nice and smooth. You have gold accents on the agenda. You have this little envelope. So closed capture with a magnetic button. There is a pen holder. And then you have pockets on 2 sides. You get one in the back so you can hold a notepad. You have a slit right here. It'll hold the sticky notes, and I'll show y'all what that looks like. And then you have card pockets, and there's so many pockets and so much room for storage. It's just incredible. And the best part is that this is an industry standard A5. So if you have any A5 inserts, any A5 paper, anything, any A5 dashboards, any A5 accessories, they do fit in here. So one thing that was mentioned in the Erin Condren Town Hall for affiliates is that at the moment during launch, there will not be any snap-in accessories for the A5 planner, but I think they said that there should be some coming out in the summer. So they are working on snap-in closures like a bookmark and other things. However, during launch, the Life Planner snap-in accessories will not work, and there won't be any snap-in accessories at the moment during launch. So a few things to keep in mind. Another few things to keep in mind when it comes to the agenda is the ring agenda is, again, an A5 size, so 5.8 by 8.3. As for inserts, you can get a daily layout or you can get the horizontal layout. They do not have an hourly or vertical option, but you can get the Mid-Century Circles, Flora, or Just My Type Neutral. So you do have several options when it comes to inserts. You currently cannot purchase inserts separately, so or the agenda separately, again, at this time. But yeah, there will also be a 12 or an 18-month option. I'm not sure what I was sent. I got the mid-century circle daily inserts to use in here, so I will be sharing that with you guys. So everything came in one package, and so this looks like 18 months. Yeah, so this is 18 months. So we'll see if everything, I think I saw that the full 18 months can fit in here, but we will open this up. Oh, I should mention ring size. So I didn't see anything on the specs, so let me get my ruler from Erin Condren and we'll figure it out. So it looks like about 3 centimeters, so you can fit a lot of stuff on here. Like I said, I think you can fit all of the 18 months in here. Let's try that out. Okay, so the full 18 months does fit in here perfectly. I don't think you could add probably like a dashboard or something without it being too overbearing. So if you get the 18 months and you want it all to fit in your planner, it'll fit in your planner. I just want to do a quick flip. So we have this clear vellum, the first quote page, yearly overview, year at a glance, note page, quote page, monthly inserts. And again, these are A5 size, so they are a little bit different than by the 7x9. So they are just a little bit more narrow. We have the lined notes for the overview. The tab is on the monthly. And then after this page, we have the weeks. So we have the horizontal layout. So you have your lines and then you have your space and then just a little note section. But yeah, I'll just show y'all a few of the months and the quotes, and then let's flip into the back. So in the back you have your note section, and so for the A5 you get 9 note sheets back here. I guess technically 10 if you include this one. And then you have a contacts page, an upcoming year page, and this one is for 2023. And then you have the ending. So they did something new this year where you can customize your own calendar. There were people who said that there are too many holidays going on in the calendars. So what they did is I think they kept a few holidays, and then they also created a second page similar to what they do in the teacher lesson planners. And that way you can add in any additional holidays that you'd like. So they did do that. And then they also included some additional like flags and things that you can include. And then just like the teacher lesson planner, they have the month and then the day, so you know which one goes where. And then in the agendas, you get a lot of gold functional stickers. So we have little teardrops, little circles, little flags, and I love these. I love how it matches the hardware. I feel like you can use this in any planner. And then it also comes with perpetual calendar that I put back here. So that is the new Life Planner. As for pricing, so there is going to be a price increase this year. So that is something that they mentioned on the town hall, that they haven't done a price increase in several years. And so now that they included the A5 in their normal sizing for their coils and for their agendas, that will take over the base price. So 7x9s will be a little bit more this year. So let's see. So A5 Life Planners start at $55. The 7x9s start at $59. And then the 8.5 by 11 start at $64. The daily duos start at $76. And then the agendas start at $79. And then the binders start at $55. So that is a little bit of the price ranges. So again, this one will start at $79. So we have that, and then I'm gonna show y'all what some accessories look like in here. So here is one of the notepads. So this is from the Focus line. So you can just slip this in, and then you have a little list section here. You can also probably use this for additional pens or highlighters or markers too if you'd like. But I believe it's designed for these notepads. You could also fit the ruler in here if you prefer to have the ruler with you. So here's my blog business card. So cards fit in here, and then you can just put any accessories that you like. I have my magnetic bookmarks. I picked these up in the Easy Austin store. These aren't new, but I'm probably gonna use these in here. So you can keep your bookmarks in here and they'll fit perfectly. And then let me grab a pen. Here's a uni pen. And so the pen strap is adjustable, so it should fit any pen. So this one is a little thick, and we got that in there. I would recommend these magnetic bookmarks if you need a bookmark while we wait on the snap-in accessories for the binder. They fit perfectly. I use this one in the teacher lesson planner. I didn't like the little ribbons, so I've just been using this, and it works out fine. So I would recommend these. Don't know if new ones are coming out. I would hope so. If not, these are already on the Erin Condren website and in stores, so you can just pick up one of these if you need a bookmark in your binder, or I'm sorry, in your agenda. So that is this, and I'm gonna leave this in here. And so again, I will be using mine for work, but that is the new agenda in the Mid-Century Circle horizontal, and it's just such a beautiful planner. I think I am gonna pick up the daily champagne and then switch it, because as y'all know, I like to use the horizontal for memory keeping. So I can use this for memory keeping, and then I can use the daily for work. And then I'll put the daily inserts in here, and then the horizontal inserts in the champagne, and then use the champagne for personal, because I love this. It's such nice quality. It's beautiful, especially this camel color. I just think it's perfect for a work planner. It's very sleek and professional looking. If you're a minimal person, you can do the Just My Type neutral too and have that in here. And then the best part is you have an A5 planner that you continue to use. So that is the planner. And then now for some new accessories. So there are a lot of things launching. I have a handful of items to share with you guys, but I think these are like the main items. So first up is the redesigned planning pack and the new Mid-Century Circle pattern. So this is going to be $20. There will also be a Flora planning pack. It has the gold zipper and then the gold strap. And then we also have, let's see, the interior is just a cream interior. So it's just a very pretty planning pack. And then we have Plan for Tomorrow, Celebrate Today quote for the cover. Next up is the new washi tape duo. So this has a really pretty gold Mid-Century Circle design, and then the new Mid-Century Circle design as well, and I'm really excited for this one. These will be $5.50, and there will also be a Flora washi tape duo. There will also be the mini snap-in bookmark trio. So this is the Mid-Century. There will be a Just My Type version, and then there will be a Flora version. These start out at $5.50. After that, we have and again, these won't work in the agenda, but just to show y'all, after that, we have the Snap In To-Do List Dashboard. This will be $5.50. So you have your to-do. And then you have a Monday through Sunday breakdown. And then after that, we have the Mid-Century Circle Snap-In Stylized Sticky Notes. These start off at $10.50, and these are just really cute. There will also be a Flora design as well. After that, the stickers that come in the Life Planner itself that don't come with the agenda will be available for purchase. So this is the Life Planner sticker pack. You can also get the Just My Type sticker pack or the Flora sticker pack. After that, you have the brand new Snap-In Checklist Dashboard, and this has an ombre color. And then Here is the back. So you just have a blank canvas with an ombre color, and there is, oh, sorry, there's dots on here. After that, we have everybody's favorite, the brand new Mid-Century Circle sticker book. Again, there will be a Flora sticker book as well. Let's open this one up. So there's a variety of different papers and different stickers, all Mid-Century Circle themed and designed. There's different fonts and different metals as well. I really like these. These are my favorite stickers. They came out with these last year and I love these. And that is the new sticker book, and this will be $15.50. After that, we have the new ballpoint pen. So they've been coming out with the matching ballpoint pens. You do get, one of the gift with purchase is a ballpoint pen as well, and it is the cherry blossom color. So it is this color in Mid-Century, and it's beautiful. But let's open this up. I love the boxes and reusing these boxes for different items, but here is the pen, and it is beautiful. It matches everything, and it's I love the gold hardware. You can also use it here. I'm going to put this in here because I think it'll be really cute. I would recommend getting the matching pen for your agenda, and that way your pen matches your design, because this will also come in Flora. I don't know about the just my type. Let's see. Yeah, so there will be a Flora ballpoint pen and a Mid-Century Circle ballpoint pen, so you can get the one that matches your design, and I think it'll be a cute little added touch. And then last item is the new Fine Tip Marker 24 pack. So I'm very excited for this. If y'all haven't tried their new Fine Tip markers, they are amazing. I have been buying them at EC Austin little by little, but now there is a huge pack of hand-picked colors. A lot of these colors have been in a variety of the dual tip markers. So it is some of the same Erin Condren colors we love. And I really like this box too. I think this is a really nice storage. But here are all of the colors that you get. This is a 24 pack, and it will be $29.50 for all of these markers. So, and yeah, other than that, that is everything that I have. There's so much coming. I will have a lot more content. As I mentioned, I will be getting the daily agenda, so I will show y'all what the champagne cover and the daily inserts look like once I get them. I'm going to go to the EC store on launch day, of course, and see what they have in stock as well. But other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free. I would recommend leaving a comment and not DMing me, because the LifePlanner launch gets hectic and there are a lot of DMs and they're harder to get to because there's already a lot anyways. So leave a comment below if you have any questions. And other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.